How to change USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here first you will need to add USDT and TRX in your wallet. On this page at the top right, you will find plus icon. Tap on the plus icon and you will be taken to this page. Here at the search bar, type USDT. Once you have typed it, you will find the search results below. Here toggle the button located at the right side to enable them. Once you have done, again search for TRX. Once you find it, again toggle the button to enable it. Now once you have done that, come back to the home page. And at the bottom, you will find swap option. Tap on this swap option. You will be taken to a new page. Here at the top, you will find swap option. Tap on the swap option at the top left. And now finally, you can enter the amount of USDT you want to exchange for TRX. Once you have entered the amount of USDT, review the details of the swap including the exchange rate and any fees. Make sure everything is correct. Now once confirmed, you can tap on the swap option which will be located at the bottom of the screen. And then you will be able to change your USDT to TRX. Now go back to your Trust Wallet after doing that and check your balances to ensure that TRX has been received. So by following these steps, you can easily change USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.